Did you know Hitler's most loyal general secretly plotted to poison him in his final days? General Wilhelm Keitel had served Hitler faithfully for years, never questioning a single order. But on April 29, 1945, he overheard something that changed everything. Hitler was discussing plans with Bormann to execute remaining Wehrmacht officers for treason. Keitel realized he was likely on that list. The man who had blindly followed orders now faced his own death sentence. Desperate, he secretly contacted Dr. Stumpfegger to obtain untraceable poison. The plan was simple: slip it into Hitler's afternoon tea. For hours, Keitel wrestled with the impossible choice between loyalty and survival. The general, who had never betrayed anyone, was about to become an assassin. But before he could act, word came that Hitler was planning suicide anyway. The poison plot became pointless. Within days, Hitler was dead, and Keitel found himself signing Germany's surrender instead. The most faithful general almost became a killer, but history moved faster than revenge.